What's up, you guys? Welcome or welcome back to another video. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're returning, hey girl, hey. All right, y'all, it is that time of day. You know, we're heading off to work. I didn't pick up my camera at all this morning. Your girl was slacking, but I'm sitting outside Dollar Tree right now and getting ready to go in, look for me some sunflower seeds and maybe like a little snack to take to work, so that if I get snacky later, I'm not having to buy the expensive airport food like I did yesterday. I'm about to put on my perfume. I'm using Dossier Fruity Neroli. It smells like the Giorgio Armani My Way, which is one of my favorite scents. And I'm using baby powder with it. Those two together, yeah. So, all right, I'm about to put me on some lip liner real quick and put some lip gloss on as well, and then we're gonna run into the store. Okay, I actually this is eyeliner, but this brown is like my favorite one, and then I have like the burgundy kind of one, and I really like both of those two colors. I haven't been able to find an actual lip liner that's that color, so I just use eyeliner, and I just put like a little bit of chapstick on because my lips are feeling dry. All right, y'all, I just hold on, let me put this lip gloss on that we could talk. All right, I think that looks good. Does it look okay? All right, so let me give y'all a quick rundown of our morning since I didn't pick up my camera. All right, I took the kids to school as usual. Today was Drink Friday, so I took the big kids to get drinks. Today we went to Sonic's. I don't know if I got any footage of that on my phone for like my day in life. If I did, I'll put it in for y'all. But yeah, we did Drink Friday at Sonic's. I already took Kai and Jersey to school. Y'all know Kaiser just finished his first week of half-day kindergarten, so we're officially through our first week. I went into the school, had like a little meeting with his principal and vice principal today as well, just for like a little incident that happened at school. He didn't do anything bad, but just something that happened that involved him. Hold on, y'all, my husband calling me. Hello. All right, so what I say? Oh, Kai and went to school. We had a meeting. Then I came home and laid down, y'all. I was so tired last night. I went to bed at like 4 o'clock in the morning. It was like 3:50, and then my alarm went off at 6:45. So I was just so tired. I came home, took a nap for another hour and 15 minutes, and now I feel fine. So I normally sleep like 4 to 6 hours a night, so I think I'm good, hopefully. It's Friday, so it shouldn't be busy at the airport. Hopefully things will be good to go. I can sit down and edit my video once I get there. And then my husband took me and Kai to go get some lunch. We had In-N-Out burgers, so we broke our little no fast food thing, but it is what it is. I also picked me up a mango lemonade from Charlie's. Ever since I left Florida, I have been wanting that mango lemonade, and I have been trying different places that have it. That's good. My husband was saying like next time I get it to add ice in it, and it'll probably be a lot better because the syrup a little thick. Got my wallet? I do. Okay. All right, y'all, we're at Dollar Tree. Let's run on in. Okay, I don't know why I came to this Dollar Tree. They don't ever have my sunflower seeds. And as soon as I walked in, seen the aisle, I was like, they ain't gonna have them. So let me show you what they have. Ranch. I don't know if I want to go to another Dollar Tree, if I want to find me something else to snack on. Or maybe I'll just get ranch for today. I could do that. Whew, all right. Who's texting me? Hi, my son. All right, y'all, I got the stuff from, hold on. I just texted one of the supervisor because she's looking for voluntary overtime today to come in. I would have already been on my way, but I stopped here. So I just texted her and told her I'm gonna come in now because she said we got 6 call-outs tonight. There goes my easy Friday. Yesterday was crazy too with all the call-outs. Okay. This is what we got from the store. I got the ranch seeds, my red vines, those are my snacks. My phone is going off, y'all. I got some, you know, the little mint puffs to add to my candy bucket. These little blue raspberry, these are so good. When you used to get like the lollipops with the gum inside, they were so good. But I got these to add to the bag, and then I got some double bubble to add to my candy bucket as well. So Next time I'm off, when I go grocery shopping, I'll go get another bag of candy from Sam's Club, but I haven't been to Sam's Club, so yeah, just add like little fillers. Let me know when I can put you on a flight. Okay. Text her and my son, and you watch movies and play games. Okay. My son just texted me and asked me if he can go to the Mustang night tonight at the school. Jaleesa asked him this morning, but I work tonight, so I can't pick them up. So he was just texting me. I told him to call my mom and see if she can pick them up, because I'm trying to figure out. He keeps saying 4:30. It's 4. I'm like, it's 4:30 when it starts or 4:30 like when it ends, because school get out at 3:50. I'm not really sure, y'all, but they want to go. It's like $2 per kid to get in, so if they stay, I'll send them some money so they can pay to get in, and they get to like hang out with like other kids. They'll have like popcorn, games, you know. I think Julie said there was music, just like a little middle school kickback, so that would be fun. I think they would enjoy that a lot. So I'm just waiting for him to text me back now and let me know so I can try to like help them get it sorted out. This morning they kind of mentioned it, but we were already like getting out the car, so I wasn't able to like get into full detail with them. But you know, if they want to go, I definitely want to try to send them if we could make it work. Y'all, I had to pull over and get gas because I have 2 miles in my car. I'm surprised it didn't cut off. I wasn't even paying attention, clearly, because I didn't hear none of the warnings. I get a warning at 50, 25, and 10. I didn't hear no warnings, but I'm just filling my tank up, and it is 3:40. I should already be in the parking lot, but I'm not. So as soon as I leave here, I'm gonna go ahead and head out to the airport so I can clock in a little bit early, and then I'll let the supervisor know I'm there because she's gonna give me a flight early, and I'll get paid overtime for that. So I don't even know how many this was. I'm out of breath. It's still ain't pulled off. They're out there rushing. It's supposed to be gone, but I pulled up because I found my ID. I switched over to my backpack today instead of my purse, and yeah, I just was not finding it, but I found it last minute. So my big kid's about to get out of school, so I need to call my son and see what they're going to do, if they're going to stay for the little thing or if they're coming home. So I'll talk to y'all when I get over to the airport. I have a flight. It doesn't get here for like 40 minutes, but I went ahead and did my nails. These are my press-ons, and now I'm about to put some cuticle oil on my cuticles and some lotion on my hands because they're dry. So let's see, I guess I'll use this one. I got this from Dollar Tree, and it is my favorite. I have not seen it, and I'm getting low, so hopefully it pops back up. But I also got this one to try. Maybe I'll try this one. Let's try that one. Okay, also update, the kids are going to their little event at their school, so they are super excited. I told my son to take some pictures for me. How does this work? I'm not coming up here. I almost like a bubble or something. Mango cuticle pen. Yeah, I think I must be doing this wrong because ain't nothing coming up. But usually, you know, like with concealer at least, it come up to the top. Do I have to hold it down? Oh, here it comes. I see it now. Y'all see that coming out of there now? Oh, let's put that on. Oh, that smells good too. Okay, Dollar Tree. I'm about to have to go back and give me another one of these if I like it. I know you're supposed to put oil on right after you do your nails, but I always have it. It's never given me any problems. So there's Orlando. There's my flight. We are boarded. Just waiting for the ramp to close up. That's my flight. Focus. That's my flight. It's going to push back. You hear that? First flight down. All right, my next plane I'm pulling here probably about 20 minutes or so, and that's a Terminator. It's an early Terminator. It's Friday, y'all. We terminate early on Friday and Saturday. So Terminator coming from Las Vegas, has 2 more trips coming off, 91 people. It shouldn't take long, and after that I have 1 more turn, and that's all I'm assigned to for the night. So fingers crossed it stays that way because your girl got stuff to do. All right, plane is shut down. Also, plane is shut down. I just talked to the captain, talked to my crew. I'm about to just do a walkthrough, make sure I don't see any like lost and found, stuff like that. Maintenance is coming out. The bathroom is clogged up. I don't know which one, I forgot. It was on the release, but bathroom is clogged up, so they're gonna go ahead and take care of it here. And 45 minutes, we got another plane, so let's do our little walkthrough. Alright. Empty. Empty. And then I'm making sure dirt bar is up. Dirt bar is up. About done. I have AirPods that I'm gonna be turning in that I found on this plane. Can y'all see me? Our light is like a little bit messed up, but I'm just gonna grab 3 drinks. Orange, apple, wait, apple, cranberry, orange. Alright, one of these is for my customer service agent, and then I like to mix the cranberry and the apple juice. Find somebody to give my lost and found as well. So that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, they already did the powder both vacuums good. It's honor flight. They're getting ready to come off the plane here. All right, the honor flight is back there still. The passenger cabin came off. Hey, but my plane just landed, so I gotta go get my plane. Y'all, it is later. It is 9:42, and they gave girl another flight. So I'm just sitting here on the plane because we have a little bit of time, and my crew is getting ready to land. So I'm placing the order on Uber Eats. I already did an order for buffalo wild wings for my husband and the boys, and I think the girls were my mom because he didn't ask the girls. It must be my mom, but the order got canceled, and I was going back and forth Uber Eats because they're like, "Oh, you canceled it." No, I didn't. I never even touched my phone. But anyways, now I'm going in and order from Applebee's for them, and I'm gonna order me something too, so that when I get home I can have it, or I heat up in the morning. I don't know, but yeah, they gave her another turn. We want to Albuquerque this time, like 10 open seats, and yeah, just wanted to check in with y'all, but nothing much changing after this. It looks like the rest of the night will be pretty empty. So y'all, it is like midnight, and I'm in the store. The boys want some ice cream. I don't see the ice cream they want, so I'm gonna have to pick something. Maybe I'll just get them some sandwiches because I don't see what they want, but I am tired and I am ready to go home. Chocolate chip, Oreo. I guess I'll get chocolate chip. I don't know what else to get. I like regular ice cream sandwiches. What do these? It is midnight now, you guys, and I'm home. Got my iPad. I'm about to sit here and do a little bit of editing. My husband's gonna rub my leg because my sciatica's acting up, and that's basically it. So I'm gonna let y'all go, I guess. I will talk to you guys or see you guys tomorrow in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and follow your girl over on TikTok at Asia Howard. Okay, good night.